Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change background in Teams. So you can change your background in Microsoft Teams either before joining a meeting or during a meeting. So open Teams and click join for your meeting. Now on the pre-join screen, so in here what you need to do is to click more at the top right. Then once you click more, so from the options, select video effects and settings. Then from here, choose your background. So at the top, you can also select standard blur or add new. And these are the image requirements. Then down here, you have a lot of background options. So choose one. So if you want to select one of the built-in backgrounds, just scroll down and look for what you prefer. So just click on that. You can also click preview, so it will show you the image in here. So if you're sure about that image, just click apply and turn on video. And that's it. So click apply again to confirm the action and it will be added as your background. So if you're using a phone or tablet, just join the meeting. And before joining or during the meeting, tap background effects or more. Then look for video effects. Then you can select blur a built-in background or add new if available on your device. Then tap on done to save the changes. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.